Hi, children. You're very used to hearing from me and other teachers at school when we give assemblies. But because we can't all be together right now, I thought I would record an assembly that you can watch at home. My assembly is called What to Do When Things Are Not Easy. I think we can all agree that things are a little strange right now. Right now, we're staying at home as much as possible so that we can prevent the spread of the coronavirus. And you might have heard it called COVID-19. I want to say that I'm very proud of you, and I'm very proud of our school community. I'm proud of your parents, and I'm proud of the teachers. Because even though what we're doing is not easy, we're doing it anyway. Not seeing friends is not easy. Not going out is not easy. Not going to restaurants is not easy. Not going to our sports or our activities is not easy. Learning to do your schoolwork remotely is not easy. And being home with your family all day is not easy. But here's the thing. Sometimes we have to do things that are not easy. And now is one of those times. So how do we do that? Well, I want you to use all of the strategies and tools that you've learned at school. Use your resilience. Bounce back. Something doesn't go right the first time. Don't panic. Take a break, take a breath, and think about how you can fix the situation. Think about what you've learned in your PSHE lessons, whether it's I wonder or I space, and think about those skills. As Winston Churchill said, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. I wish I could do a Winston Churchill accent, but I can't. Secondly, I want you to use your growth mindset. If something is difficult, that's okay. It just means you can't do it yet. We are all having to learn remotely right now, which means that we are all using our growth mindsets to learn something new. Now, personally, I think that's pretty neat because I love learning new things. But I'll tell you, it hasn't been easy. I've had to use my growth mindset to learn how to teach remotely better. And lastly, remember kindness. Now, you knew I would get that in there somewhere, didn't you? Because actually, what we're doing right now by staying home, doing our social distancing, and washing our hands frequently is actually kindness. And it's kindness to the wider community. Now, you know that the three most important things at Handcross Park School are kindness, kindness, and kindness. And if I had a fourth thing, you know what that would be too. So please remember to be kind to your family, to be kind to your teachers, and to always be kind to yourself. Take time to be proud of yourself right now, children. You are doing a great job. So my message is this. Right now may not be easy, but you are well prepared for times like these. You are resilient. You have a growth mindset, and you are kind. If you can remember these things, you will always be well prepared and know what to do when things are not easy. All right, that's my assembly for today. Check back later, and I'll do a few more. Bye for now.